try this. It is also a very good question. It is asked in your GATE 1999. Okay. So they are asking you, suppose we want to arrange n number sorted in an array. So you want to arrange n number. Okay, you want to arrange n number sorted in an array such that all negative values occur before all positive one. Then they are asking minimum number of exchange required in the worst case. In worst case, how many minimum number of comparison you require? Imam is saying I not attended that class, sir. No. Okay, fine, Imam. So you can watch the recorded video in the playlist of the algorithm. It is having that. Okay, those who are missing any of the class, they can watch that. Okay. So they are saying that suppose we want to arrange n numbers. We want to arrange n numbers stored in an array. Okay, if it is stored in an array such that all negative values occurs before all positive values. So if you want to store some array such that all negative values should come before, then positive in second half. So such that all negative values occur before all positive values. Okay, so before all positive values, negative values come like this, then positive. Okay, like this. See, suppose where it is in such that all negative values occur before all positive ones. Minimum number of exchange required in worst case is, now they are asking minimum number of exchange you required in worst case. Now they have given you an array like this. They have given you an array of n numbers. Now they are asking you sorting ही हुई ना ये तो सर तो big of n log. राठौर इज सेइंग सॉर्टिंग ही हुई ना ये तो नहीं, यार सॉर्टिंग नहीं करना है. बोल रहा है कि एक एरे दिया है जिसमें n एलिमेंट्स है, ठीक है, स्टोर्ड है एरे में. बोल रहा है कि उसको ऐसे स्टोर करो, अरेंज करो, ओके, कि नेगेटिव वैल्यूज पहले आए पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज से. अगर आप सॉर्टिंग करके भी ला सकते हैं तो n log n लगेगा. यहाँ पूछ रहा है कितने कंपेरिजन एक्सचेंज कितने करने पड़ेंगे. क्वेश्चन अलग है राठौर. Are you getting it? So here they are asking you, suppose if we want to arrange n numbers, okay, yeah, Niso is saying D, none of the above. Then what is going to be the then how many exchange you required, Nisu, in worst case? If you are saying D, then how many exchange you require? See, in GATE, in time complexity, they have asked very good questions. Okay, just by saying the question, it is not going to be that much easy. Okay, Nisu is correct. Now can you explain, Nisu, how n by 2? We can now see. I will take some number randomly. Let's take 0, 1, 2. Nisu is saying worst case happen when all the positive occur before all the negative number. In this case, take a positive number from the left hand side and negative number from right hand side and fixes. Very good. Very good, Nisu. Very good. So let's take, if you are having n equal to 6, means total element is like 6. Okay. So you are having, let's assume you are having 5, 5, 1, 2, and then you, let's assume minus 1, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7. So in the question they are saying that positive number, all negative numbers should appear before the negative number. So what we will do in the left hand side? In the left hand side we will search for the negative one. For the, see, it's saying that all the negative number value should occur before the positive one. So here it should have the negative one. Okay. So what I see, first let me write the procedure, then it will be more clear. See, right. First let me write, then I will explain, because it will be little bit, we just required, as Nisu have given the explanation, it's very good and correct also. We just require n by 2 swaps in the worst case. in the worst case. Okay. The algorithm is as given below. The algorithm is as given below. So algorithm is find positive, find positive from left hand side, find positive. So from here you are going to find positive. So you have got 5. Okay. Then from here in right hand side you find the negative. Okay. Find the negative from right hand side. Here from positive. Now whenever you got positive here and whenever you got negative, you do the exchange. So here you are going to exchange minus 7, here 5. Then again you got negative, negatives will be here, exchange here. Then again you got negative here, then positive. See you got. So from left hand side you are finding the positive value and from right hand side you are finding the negative value. And whenever you are getting any negative value, you are exchanging with the positive one. Okay, from here like this. This get exchanged like this, get exchanged like this. Okay, see here. So find positive number, find positive number left side, find positive number from left side and negative number and negative number from from right side and negative number from right side and do exchange, and we are going to do exchange. Correct. So in worst case, what can happen if you are having in worst case n by 2 swapping you are going to do. So you one can say that sir I am having more positive number like 5, 1, 2, 3, minus 6, minus 7. So if you are having more than n minus 2 positive number, then also you are going to do only how many swap? See, now you are not going to do swap. Only two swap happened. See, if you are having more than n minus 2 element, n by 2 element, some like positive or negative. So it will be in some order only. Either in left hand side, so if you are having n minus 2, more n minus 2 positive, more n minus 2 positive. So it means it is definitely going to. It means it is definitely going to be present. Some element will be after this n minus 2 element, so it will be already in positive in the correct place. Are you getting it what I am trying to say? See, मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे कि अगर आपके पास n माइनस टू एलिमेंट्स ज्यादा होंगे पॉजिटिव, ठीक है, अगर पॉजिटिव n बाई टू एलिमेंट से ज्यादा है तो क्या होगा, वो जरूरी गारंटी है आप दे सकते हैं कि वो कहाँ पे होगा, दूसरे हाथ में भी कुछ एलिमेंट होंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर टोटल ओनली इन हेयर वी आर हैविंग n minus 2 spaces. So if some element is more than n minus n by 2, then it will definitely in the second half. So at max you are going to do how many exchanges? This many exchanges like this. क्लियर हो रहा है क्या? अगर आपके पास कोई भी वैल्यू ज्यादा है n by 2 से, तो वो तो अपने करेक्ट ही जगह पे ही होगा, या फिर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड होगा या फिर राइट साइड होगा. Nisu is saying yes sir. See everyone please say whether are you getting it or not. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. If you are having doubt, I can again explain. No issue. Please let me know. Yogita is saying repeats it. See Yogita, what I am saying that in worst case, what can happen? See what I mean that if you are having, let me take. Whenever you face any difficulties, you can ask me. I am here to repeat and I can even explain. See what I am saying that we just require n minus 2 swap in worst case. Why? What I am going to do, the algorithm is as below. Find positive number from left hand side. So what I am going to do, I am going to find positive number from left hand side and negative number from right side and do exchange, and we are going to do exchange because it's saying that negative numbers should come before, negative number should come before. Okay, so if you are having any negative number, it should come before that. So before should be left hand side. So if you are having some number like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like this, if you are having like this, now you are having 2 and 3 like this. So from here you are going to search for the, tell me, positive number, and here you are going to search for the negative number. Okay, Now, if you will get the positive, so here you are going to get the positive one. Okay, here you are going to get the positive. So it is already in a correct position because all the negative number are before the positive one. All the negative number are before the positive. So it is not the worst. See there you not required to do any exchange. See here because it's saying that question is saying that all negative numbers should come before the positive one. See it is already before the positive one. Are you getting that? Please let me know. You are having, or this is like the best case, no exchange. All the negative number are before the positive one. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. So here you are not going to do any exchange. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. Nivita is saying yes. Now take the worst case because here they are asking the worst case. See, minimum number of exchange required in worst case. In worst case. So in worst case, what can happen? Opposite case. Here you are having the positive 2, 3, 4, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So all the negative number is in right hand side. Is in right hand side. Means you need to swap in the beginning. So you will see here the positive one and here you will see the negative one. When you got here negative and when you got here positive, you will do the swap. So here you got the positive 2 and here you got the negative. So you did one exchange, here 3, here 2. Then again you got here positive and here you got the negative. Then again you are going to do swap minus 2, 3. Here again you got the negative and here you got the positive. So you are going to do exchange. Now see, now you are moving forward. Here you are getting positive only and here now there is no more element. That means it is in correct position only because all the negative number now is in before the positive one only. So in worst case what can happen that you are having n minus n by 2 swap you need to do because this many number, or if you will say that sir I will have more than n minus n by 2 element of negative, like if you are having like positive 2, 3, 4, 5, then negative is your minus 1 and minus 2 like this. So here you are having more positive in left hand side, okay, more positive. So what you will do, you will swap with this. So here it will be minus 2, here it will be 2, here it will be 3 and here it will be minus 1 like this. Now again you are not going to do any exchange because that number 4 and 5 is in right hand side and all the negative number is in the left hand side. So even some number either positive or negative, if it is more than n minus 2, if it is more than n by 2, okay, if that, see here positive number is more than n by 2, here it is 4 you are having 4 positive number. So it means definitely it will be in the, some part will be in the right hand half, some part will be in the right side. Are you getting? So means this is already in a correct position, this is already in a correct position. Are you getting it? So in worst case you need to do exchange how many? N by 2. Is it clear? Please let me know. Clear है क्या? Yogita, Imam, Yogita is saying got it sir. Imam, is it clear? Imam, is it clear? Yeah, Imam is saying clear. Fine. So let's try. So now after that, if you are done with the writing, then please let me know. I will go to the next slide. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know. I will go to the next slide. So minimum number of exchange required in worst case will, when when first half will contain positive value, will contain positive number, and second half will contain all negative number. Now now we will swap first number with nth number and then second number with n minus 1th number, and then third number with n minus 2, and so on. Like this we will do we will do n by 2 swaps in first case. Done. Fine.